Here is a fun Friday tip for you all. If you want to turn a viral moment into a side income, let me show you how. As a Tottenham Hotspur fan, obviously I was delighted when we won the European Cup. And of course, this whole Ange quote of, I always win things in my second season. I thought, wow, this is just brilliant. It's absolutely legendary. And of course, I knew that quote would go viral after winning the European Cup. So I call this approach trend hacking. First, you spot the trend. Then you feed the context into AI tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas. And then, of course, you can refine and create the selected images it brings out. Now, ChatGPT actually does this now really well as tools like Midjourney. Once we have these designs, we upscale them to make sure they're printed in high quality. And then we can list them on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble with very, very minimal effort and, of course, upfront cost. I use ChatGPT to create the title and the description and obviously the tags to make sure that it resonates with Spurs fans. And lo and behold, it started selling. Absolutely brilliant. Now, this approach, again, is called trend hacking. So I really do suggest that you can do this. And in fact, I'm currently working on a way to automate the whole process. Now, the key takeaways is always be fast and authentic, of course. You need to talk to the people that actually find it interesting. And leverage AI to speed up design and, any kind of iterations and that kind of things. And you can literally do this for what does it cost for a ChatGPT? $20 a month. So let me ask you, what trend will you hack next? Drop me a comment below and let me know.